Hi guys, Leslie here, and I want to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to purchase a domain, and then I'm going to forward my current HempWorx domain or URL to this new domain so that it's a lot simpler. So for me, I'm going to choose West Valley CBD because I live in the West Valley of Phoenix, and I want to put this on my car. And so if you're thinking about doing this, you might want to think about the name and what's easy for people to remember. So around here, West Valley CBD would be really easy to remember. So I'm going to add that to my cart over on GoDaddy. And then I'm going to continue to my cart. Now, GoDaddy likes to try to add a lot of crap to you, plans. So don't just buy the domain. That's all you need. So I'm going to hit no thanks. Stop trying to sell me stuff. No thanks. I'm going to continue with those options, and then it should be like 12 bucks or something at the end. Now see how they have 71? Just change this to 1 year. Okay, so then your price should change. And then all that's right, and then I'm just going to complete my purchase because they already have my information because they have other stuff. All right, so my order was $12. And then I don't want a site builder, okay? So I'm going to go up here to where it says my name, and then I'm going to say Manage Domains. It's going to give me a list of all my domains. If this is the only domain you have, there's only going to be one on your list, but I have a few. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to click, whoops, wrong one, whoops, my bad. We're going to click on the right one. Dun, 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 dun. Let's let that load again. This one. So I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to check out the forwarding options. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look for Manage DNS. Awesome. Awesome. Now forwarding. There we go. This is what I want. Domain. Add. I want to forward this domain to my other one. So let me grab that, which is TheLesleyShow at HempWorx. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to pop that right in here. Let me take off the HTTP since they already have that. Okay, let's hit preview for the heck of it. Awesome. Okay, that looks good. Forward only. I don't know what forward with masking is. I would have to actually look that up. I'm not sure, but I'm just going to forward it permanently. I'm going to update my name servers and DNS settings to support this change, even though I haven't changed any of that. That should all just be the same. It's got the same name server. So we'll just go ahead and hit save. Okay. Now features may, while it's processing my updates. Okay, so we should be able to come back later and when we put in West Valley CBD, which it probably won't be ready yet because I just did it, but oh, it is ready already. Well, shoot, that was fast. So did you notice when I put in westvalleycbd.com, it automatically forwarded? Okay, so now anytime somebody goes to westvalleycbd.com, it's actually just going to forward over to my HempWorx site.